Hot Springs. Freaking awesome. Met some cool fellas. They've been fishing the lake out there at Pyramid, trying to catch them 20-pound trout. This is awesome. This feels great. I'm looking forward to hanging out here for the night and getting some videos edited so we can start putting some things out there for everyone to watch. It's a super nice day. I'd say it's probably around 60 degrees right now, so it's nice. This water's nice. I couldn't even tell you the temperature of the water. Maybe 80 degrees or something, 75. It's nice.